Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my new 13 by 6 glueless frontal unit, and I have here an 18-inch unit, and I'm going to customize this wig and put it on for you guys so you guys can see. So the unit comes with a removable adjustable elastic band. It also comes with combs. It has 4 combs, 3 at the top and 1 at the bottom. And it's also made on a adjustable dome cap. So I'm gonna take this unit and I wanted it to be like a nice honey blonde color. Oh, and I forgot to mention to you guys that the knots are also pre-bleached. So it is a full 13 by 6 unit, and I'm going to take it and I'm going to make it a nice ombre honey blonde color. So I'm going to mix together some bleach with 20 volume developer, and I'm going to start in the back. And I'm just showing you guys here how neatly and nice the wig is constructed. The tracks are very nice and neatly done. And I'm just going to take that and just put it all over the hair. And I'm just going to work that bleach into the hair, making sure that it's all nice and coated. And when I get to the top where the closure is, I'm going to be using bleach with 30 developer because I wanted the back to process slow. I didn't want this to be too bright. I wanted it a nice honey color, so I'll put the 20 in the back, and then when I got to the top, I did 30. That way everything can process nicely together. Okay, so now everything is done. Once it finished processing, I went and just washed it and conditioned the hair. You want to make sure you treat your hair too when you're lifting it like this to make sure your hair is nice and healthy. So I'm just going to start to customize it. I'm going to do some plucking, and my plucking game has changed. I no longer pluck wet. I pluck the hair while it's dry, and I find that I get way better results like this. Since I started plucking with the hair dry, I totally stopped plucking with the hair wet. I don't even do that anymore. So if you've been struggling and you've been doing this wet and you don't get the results that you've been looking for, I suggest try doing it while the hair is dry. All right, so now I'm just gonna finish styling my unit. I did like a side slash middle part, and I'm going to go ahead and finish customizing that. And then I'm gonna take the unit and put it on for you guys so you can see how she looks. All right, so now that she's all finished, I'm gonna go ahead and just throw her on real quick. I have here an HD wig cap. These caps are more see-through and they're much more easier to blend. If you guys are looking for these caps, I do have them available on my website, so you can go check that out. So I'm just gonna put the cap on real quick, and I'm gonna take my bowl hold liquid gold and just seal down the cap. I didn't go crazy with the whole ball cap blending and all that stuff. I did fix it and blend it in better later. I just wanted to just quickly go through this just to show you guys how the unit fits and everything. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take this unit and put it on. I secured the elastic band in the back, and I tucked the combs in, and now I'm just going to pull it down to where I want it to sit. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and just cut off that lace. And then I'm going to cut the lace from around my ear. Just make sure that everything is nice and comfortable, that my ear is not tucked under there. And the unit is sitting pretty good. Like I was lifting it up in the front, and the unit sits pretty much in place. And if you wanted to wear the unit like without anything, you definitely can. The unit is not going to move. I actually have the unit on right now. I had to go out today and I didn't put anything on it, and it's pretty much still in the same place that I put it on. I will glue down the ear tabs a little bit. So I'm going to use the bow hold liquid gold. It's not glue, it's a temporary hold. And I put like just a tiny little bit there. And I just took my blow dryer and dried it just to keep those tabs down. And that's all I did. I did the same thing to the other side, and that was it. I went about my day. The wig stayed in place. At the end of the day, I like to take my wigs off. So the liquid gold, it just comes right off with some water. You can just take it right off. But I have to say, for a 13 by 6 unit, it stays in place, like it doesn't even lift. This is like my new favorite unit right now. I've been wearing this unit every day since I did this install for you guys, the video. I've been wearing it for the past I think I've been wearing it for like about a week or so, and the unit is bomb. So I do have these units available on my website, uncustomized, for you guys that, you know, for you wig makers and you guys that like to customize your own unit. You can purchase this on my website. uncustomized. Right now, my custom orders are closed, but they will be opening back up next week, and they will be available to purchase. They do come in a small, medium, and large size. So if you're looking for, a frontal glueless unit, this is definitely, I would definitely give this a try. Like I said, you guys can purchase this customized or uncustomized. The uncustomized version is under wig making tools, where I sell my wig caps and everything like that. So you guys can definitely go check that out. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.